Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we have an Andrea quick meal espresso machine. This machine had a lot of problems. First of all, we need to replace the safety valve, the safety pressure valve, and the thermal reset switch. And after that, we encounter a problem with the machine that the water pump needs to be replaced as well with the solenoid valve. But now the machine is working perfectly fine after replacing the solenoid valve. Steamer is working correctly, having really good pressure, and the hot water working good. Also, the water level probe was very dirty with a bunch of scale and had a bunch of things in there, so it wasn't detecting when the water flow was at the lower level, so the water pump didn't even activate it. But after cleaning that, the machine autofills by itself and it's working perfectly fine. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.